Hello everyone, I am Robinson Egwe, an electropreneur, CEO, Robin Tech Electric Enterprise. There's a stabilizer here that has been giving me issue. I just want to see what I can do. The stabilizer is not giving an output. So many wires cuts off. I have to link them up and glue them so that they don't cut again. Just have to follow up on some techniques in case you decided to fix your own. This stabilizer is an African Master. So I've done it nice, applying output. But I want to show you a method I normally use in calibrating these stabilizers. These are the method I want to put you through. Just follow me up. It's supplying output now, but I'm seeing as if the calibration is not okay. So I want to calibrate this thing so that my boys, whenever they come in, they cover it. So let me give you a little tips also on stabilizer calibration. Let me remove these things so that you can see it properly. Removing all this rubbish out of this place. Okay. Now, this is an auto transformer. I needed a variac. I can't lay hands on a variac now because it's somewhat expensive for me. I have to design a way to be calibrating my stabilizers. What's the function of a stabilizer? When an input comes in, like I said in my earlier video, when an input comes in, the input that comes in is basically 110. That is acceptable input is basically 110 to 260. It's been rated at the back of the stabilizers. The output, okay, under there they wrote in the output is 220. Yeah, the camera can't get there. Okay, it's 220. That's it. But the input, some of them are written somewhere with labeled on them. So I think this one is 120 to 260. Majority, some of them are 110 to 260. It stabilizes and gives you an output of 220. Now, majority of them always have a tolerance. This one just specified 220, does not have a tolerance. But I'm going to see what I can do. So I want to calibrate this stabilizer using this machine. And when I'm done, the stabilizer is good to go. Let me do that now. I pray NEPA do not take light, because this is Nigeria for you. So let me on it and see. Let me plug something to the output of it. It's showing protected. Meaning something is wrong here. The first line of voltage I wanted to check is not okay. Let me rectify this first before putting it inside this calibrating machine to calibrate it. If you want more explanation of this, make a comment, subscribe to my channel, let me know. I will show you why I designed this and be using it to calibrate. It's a simple calibrating machine. In this place, we deal on repairs, power electronics repairs. So many secret lies in between. If you want us to tell you, we will tell you. Make a comment, we make a video on it, and you get it all done. Now, in this auto transformer, I designed it. It tells you the voltage at which I'm feeding in. Let me make a clear on this. Now I've placed this somewhere there. Where's my other line of voltage? Just follow it. You can't understand it now, let I tell you. So when I on it, it gives me this voltage line. This 147 voltage. Okay. If I put it in another place, this is what 187 voltage. Okay, look for another place again. On it, 198 voltage. So these are the voltage inputs feeding into the stabilizers, and you make an adjustment on the variable resistor. These are the variable resistor. You get what you want. So here we go. So let's continue. I on it again. These are the function of a stabilizer. It's showing protected, meaning something is wrong. So meaning there is no output. Remember, I plugged this into the output of the stabilizer. Let me make some adjustment here. As you can see, it's off. So it gives an output. But output is 200. 200. Of which is not up to 220. So meaning I still have some work to do again. Let me pick another one and vary. I can't see anything reflecting in the output. It's still at 1. Force that to 170, meaning something is wrong here. Just have to start afresh again. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten 218, 219. That is it. Leave it there. So that one done. But first of all, I need to know the input voltage that gives this output. I need to know the input voltage. How do I get to know it? Let me unplug it and put it directly to the light, and let me see. Hold on. Okay, so I plugged it in. This is the input voltage, 196. 196 is fluctuating, 196, 197, 198. Then this is the output, 220. So let me go more for more. So at 195 is being regulated. So whenever 199 comes in, you get an output of 217, 216, 219. It will go down below 250. Trust me. Trust me, it won't go down below 216, 215. If it goes down below 215, this one is still manageable. It's not supposed to go down below this. It's going down below that. Meaning I still have a little touch on it. I'll still make a little touch on it. Okay, don't worry. We tidy that. Let me put it inside the machine and see what I can do. Okay. Let me calibrate this. I'm feeding it 107. Let me see what will come out. It's showing protected. It's showing protected. Let me increase the voltage a little bit. $137. It's still showing. Okay, it worked. 182. Mind you, stabilizers. Let me see what I can see. Adjust it to 220. Majority of these stabilizers you see, they don't give you 220 when the voltage is at 130 something, 120 something. Stabilizer that can give you that 220 are stabilizer like Century, Q-Link. But this one, I don't really know what I can give me that voltage. You can see the output is 180, 180. So let me adjust it a little and see what will happen. Everything I'm adjusting in just these three things. That's what I use in doing all the settings to get all the different voltage line. Just for your capability, it's just for you to be able to understand what you're adjusting, make your calculation in your brain. So let me adjust and see. It goes off just now. I have to come back. 203. Let me see what I can see. Get a little thing here. It went off. I will leave it at 203. I need to go for a more better tools to be working on this. It's 204. If you are trying to do an adjustment on this and it did not work out, just realize that there's still some problem on the board. So clear them off. It works out well.